A lot can change in 90 years, but a lot can stay the same. In 1929, Perrysville, Ohio was a small settlement nestled in the Heartland's rolling hills. Today, its population is still only 722, yet it is home to one of the largest American manufacturers of toilets, tubs, and lavatories. Mansfield Plumbing is an innovative company with a legacy of handcrafted products made by Americans for Americans. With over 600 employees in Ohio and Texas, many of whom are proud United States veterans, we're known for a few things: being easy to work with, honest, authentic, and optimistic. See, those Heartland values aren't easy to shake. Our day-to-day actions and decisions are still guided by them, and we're still committed to making life easier for everyone who counts on our products. Our brand promise is to help families thrive by delivering easy-to-use, durable, and affordable products, millions of them every year. We're not flashy, though our products are as stylish as any famous brands for a much lower price. We stand by our warranties, shorter lead times, and environmental stewardship, a promise backed by material conservation, operating efficiency, and recycling. Things are different than they were in 1929, but around here, roots run deep, and quality matters. Values win against cheaper costs and corner cutting every time. And our family still comes to work every day to serve yours. The truth is, we consider it an honor.